Okay, Unit 6 Test Study Guide, question number 27. Again, this is in the markup and markdown section. That's a percent change type of problem, so we're going to have two ways that we could do it. We can do it as change over original or as the new price over the original. So I'm going to do this problem two ways. And again, let's see. Well, they're telling us what the wholesale price is. Remember, that is the original price. That is what the store buys it for. So they buy it for $72. The retailer price is the amount that they sell it for. So this is the new price. So it's kind of set up for doing it as new over original. But in ways, I'd prefer doing it by doing change over original, because right now these numbers, it's really easy to figure out how much the price changed. You just need to subtract these two numbers. So if they were selling it for 160 and they bought it for 72, subtract that. I need to go way over to the side. 160 minus 72. I'm still going to go to the calculator. Comes out to be $88 is what has the amount they marked it up. Okay, so that is the change. That's the change in the price. So we're looking for the percent markup. So as we set up our percent proportion, our x is going to go over the 100. And again, well, let me do it on this side. Our change is 88. The original cost was 72. And again, yeah, that is the original. Labels help, people. And this is the change. The reason I'm mentioning that again is this is going to give us the change in the percent. And that is what we're being asked for, the percent markup. So cross multiply, I get 72x equals 8800. Divide by 72. On this side you get x. This side, time to go to the calculator again. 8800 divided by 72. You get 122.2 repeating. 122.2 repeating. And again, we were looking for the percent change specifically. This is it. It needs a percent sign. So they mark the price up by 122.2%. So the percent markup is 122.2%. Okay, I kind of prefer doing this problem this way. I'll show you why in just a moment. You do it the other way. If you do the new price over the old, your new price is the 160. The old price, what the store bought it for, was 72, or the original. This is going to give us the new percent over the original percent. Okay, so put the x in, cross multiply. I get 72x equals 16 followed by 3 zeros. And now to solve this equation, I'm going to divide both sides by 72. I get x equals, and again, calculator time. It's going to be 1, 6, and 3 zeros divided by 72. Yeah, there I get 222.2222 repeating. And again, that is my percent. But again, that is my new percent. It would be here, 222.2 repeating. They're not asking us for what the new percent is, or what the price is as far as a percent of the original price. They're wanting to know how much it was marked up. That is the change from going from 100 up to 222.2. So we need to subtract that original percent, and you get 122.2 repeating percent. That is my markup. So again, you get the same answer we just got. Sorry. The percent markup, I wish I hadn't used the symbol, but a little sloppy. The percent markup is 122.2%. Okay, that's it.